What's up, everyone? My name is Cory and this is my 2012 McLaren MP4-12C. Has downpipes, tune, and some lowering springs. Bought it to have fun with, and I treat it like a go-kart. I'm here at Eurofed for like the third time. My boy Nate, my boy Colin, they always take care of me. A full service done. I mean, they're the ones to come to if you need work done on an exotic. See, I buy these cars, I don't buy them to sit on the shelf. I take a lot of passion to it and I like to have my fun with them. From Bentleys to McLarens to Corvettes, you name it, I'm driving it to its limits. Thank you everyone for watching. If y'all want to check out some of what I do, go check out my Instagram. And also, again, thanks to Eurofed for always taking care of me.